Welcome to SalesPlay POS. In this video, we'll walk you through what the QR ordering system is, how it works, how to set it up from the back office, and how to process QR orders directly from the POS app. Let's get started. What is the QR ordering system? The QR ordering system is a digital ordering feature built into SalesPlay POS. It allows customers to scan a QR code using their smartphones, view your menu, and place orders directly without waiting for staff or using a physical menu. Customers can browse items, add them to a cart, and place the order from their own device. Once submitted, the order is instantly sent to the POS system for processing. This helps reduce waiting time, improve order accuracy, and streamline restaurant operations. How to enable QR ordering in back office. To start using QR ordering, you first need to enable it in the back office. Steps: log in to the SalesPlay POS back office web portal. Click on the integration section and find the QR ordering and web store button. Now enable it. You can see now QR ordering is enabled. To generate a new QR code, go to the QR ordering menu and click on Generate QR. Now select the QR ordering from the drop-down. Select your shop from the drop-down menu. Also, you can add a store name and a logo. Now select the target terminal. Select a table if applicable. Choose the QR size and click OK. Click Save. Once saved, the QR code will be generated. You can download the QR code now. How to enable open orders for QR processing. To process QR orders in the POS app, open orders must be enabled. Steps: go to Settings, select Feature, turn on Open Orders, click Save. How to process QR orders in the POS app. Now let's look at how QR orders appear in the POS app. Steps: open the POS app. Tap on Open Orders. You'll see QR orders listed under New Orders. Select the order and choose Accept or Reject. Accepted orders you can see in the QR ordering menu. Now you can edit or make the payment for the order. Order notification sound. SalesPlay POS also includes an order notification sound for QR and other external orders. When a new QR order arrives, a sound will play and continue until the order is checked. You can enable a notification sound for new QR orders. Open POS app settings and go to Software Customization. Enable Set Order Notification Sound and choose your preferred sound. When a new QR order arrives, the notification will keep playing until the order is opened. That's how QR ordering works in SalesPlay POS. You've learned what it is, how to set it up, generate QR codes, and process orders in the POS app. Thanks for watching. For more guides and tutorials, visit the SalesPlay Help Center.